I'm Janneman Cornelius from Bioco Crops. Let's define biostimulants on their function and not just the ingredients. What levers do they pull in plant physiology? Officially, a plant biostimulant stimulates the plant's natural processes to have enhanced nutrient uptake, better tolerance to abiotic stress, and increased quality traits independent of the nutrient content of the product. Think of enhanced root architecture, enhanced photosynthesis, enhanced resistance to abiotic stresses. They are not fertilizers. They do not add micro or macronutrients. They enhance the plant's biological processes. Understanding the mode of action is key. Are you targeting root architecture, stress mitigation, or tolerance to stress? Select biostimulants based on their physiological effects for maximum output. Let's discuss the science behind optimizing your crop's physiology. Contact Bioco for advice.